Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Very interesting one. All right, a technician brought this phone to me and he said his customer gave it to him, and the customer complained that the phone fell into the water, so the phone was not powering on. Then he serviced it, then the phone is powering on. But now the problem now is that the phone is restarting by itself, and if you don't press the power key, it will just automatically start, automatically boot up. As you can see, I didn't press the power key, but the Tecno logo is already showing and the phone is booting up, but it's not even completing the boot up process. Okay, so that was the problem. So I'm going to show you again from my DC power supply so that you can see how the phone is behaving. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and also for physical training, if you're interested, please DM us right away. And as you can see, he has taken the phone for software, upgrade or full flashing, like as we all know, but the phone is still not working. Okay, so you might be saying, oh, is the side key, the side flex key is fine. Okay, now let's go into the troubleshooting step by step. What are the things you're going to do when you experience this type of problem? Now the first thing you do is to remove the shield so that you'll be able to see what is going on the PCB itself. Okay, remove both the front and the back shield. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen. We're going to help you become a better technician. All right, if you're interested in physical training as well, just DM us on the numbers on the screen. So I've removed both shields, the front and the back side. So what we're going to do right now is to clean properly. As you can see, the cleaning the technician does before was not a thorough cleaning. Okay, it's just a it's just a brief peripheral cleaning. It's not the deep cleaning. So this is the deep cleaning I'm doing right now because of the history of the phone. All right, so I'm done with cleaning properly, and the next thing is to dry up. That's very important to do as a technician. After cleaning with your PCB cleaner, you need to dry up. All right, now let's go and test if the phone is still going to work or still going to do the same. It's going to do the same. All right, so let's go ahead and do that right away. All right, now let's pay close attention at this power supply, and it automatically starts. Look at DC, and it's still doing the same thing. All right, what is the next step to do when you have this type of issue? Okay, the next step is for you to join our online training so that you can learn how I was able to repair this device. Now let's go. I'm done repairing that problem. Okay, and now I want you to pay close attention to see if the phone is going to work or not. I'm done repairing it, but everything I do, the step-by-step process to repair this, like I said, it is not side flex key or side key problem. All right, this is a different problem. It's a unique problem. So you need to join our online training so that you'll be able to have access to all these informations that are not on YouTube. Okay, you need to join our online training to become professional. We have a lot of students, across different countries that are benefiting from this training. So don't withhold from joining the training. As you can see, the phone no longer automatically draws amps and it's not automatically restarting. So I'm going to trigger the power key myself right now. All right, remember, when I connect the DC power supply, it automatically boots up showing Tecno, but right now I'm the one triggering the power key and the phone is booting up right now. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing repair tips. See you in another video. Peace.